J&J, A-OK, coming back like fadeaways. Road wasn't always here, we paved the way. Trying to take over in a major way. J&J gang, where you at? J&J gang, where you at? Took some time, now we back. Now the pack full attack. YouTube, what's the deal with it? Welcome back to J&J gang. If you hear the air in the background, deal with it because it's hot.
Hey y'all.
It's hot. And we ain't turning it down. You clicked on the link. Anyway, we on our way to the movies. About to go see Venom. Didn't think Hannah was gonna want to see it. I don't think she does. Oops, my bad. Yeah, didn't think Hannah was gonna want to see it. Still don't think she does. Do you?
I don't have an interest in it.
Yeah, comic books are usually my thing. But we were gonna see A Star Was Born, and we missed our time because I took a nap because I was tired. Let's discuss this now. Sorry for missing yesterday. But we didn't do anything, y'all. I mean, I don't want to force videos. As much as I would... Shut up. As much as I want to give y'all good videos, quality videos, I'm not going to force the video. I can't. I didn't have nothing to do. We didn't do nothing. So it wasn't a vlog. We didn't have no supplies to like put on the video for y'all. It was just, you know, it was dead. So we didn't upload. So this one is gonna go up. It ain't gonna be number 7. It's gonna be number 8. And yeah, on our way. It's hot, but it's cloudy.
It's about to get muggy.
About to get muggy.
Oh, that's what you do. Get the... Get...
She cleaned it up for y'all. Just feel good, because she cleaned it up for y'all. You know, she an angry driver. I told y'all about her. She crazy. Crazy as hell. Behind the wheel. Yeah, stick it with us, man. Stick it with us. We gonna have a good day. Yeah, we gonna have a good day. Good day. You have a real good day. You're supposed to be getting gas.
Some what?
Gas. This girl got 55 miles to eat. I was gonna drive, then she made me not drive so she can get gas. But then in the house, she told me to drive because she didn't have no gas. So she used the same excuse to drive as she did to not drive.
It worked.
Lahana Kai, ladies and gentlemen.
It worked.
See how it made. Well, guys, for the first time in a long time, I was wrong. I went in thinking that this was not going to be that great of a movie, and we both enjoyed it.
Yep.
It's real good. So, go see Venom. Go see it. It's good, guys. Super good. Guys, I thought that movie was going to be so trash. I did.
I didn't know what to expect.
I mean, yeah, because you don't do comics. But, like, with me, I still don't do, like, comics majorly. But I just thought it was going to be bad. I mean, how can you make a story about Venom? Or a movie about Venom? And it really was good. And in the beginning, you see in association with Marvel. And, you know, the Iron Mans, the Captain Americas, the Avengers, all of those. You don't see that. And in this one, it was like in association. So like basically, if it fails, we just gave them we just gave Sony permission to use the character. We didn't officially authorize, all of this, So it ended up being really good. So maybe somehow, some way, Venom will play some sort of role in the next phase of MCU, because after Avengers 4, I'm pretty sure y'all probably gonna get on my head if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that after Avengers 4 that they're gonna switch it up for the MCU. What? Chill out, bro. Can I do the review?
I'm doing a review.
Yeah, we about to head somewhere. Is it home?
I believe so.
Home. We about to head home. But yeah, go see Venom. That's all in all. It was good. It was funny, enjoyable. You got a Stan Lee appearance. That's beautiful. Every time I see him, I smile. It's like the running joke now. So go see it. Yeah, we had to stop and get gas. This gas here look way better than in Michigan, boy. Michigan gas prices is through the roof. We only paying $2.40. That ain't too bad. I know when we was in Cali, gas was like what, babe? Like $4?
It was $2 more.
It was $4? See? We can't live in Cali, my baby. We visit. We can't live. $2. Yeah, we straight.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to mind my business. Yeah. Say hello.
Hello.
Get up. I said get up.
I will.
Get up. You want to talk to the camera?
Huh?
You want to talk to YouTube?
Yes.
What you want to talk to him about?
Huh?
Come over here.
I want to talk about being a fireman.
Okay. Talk to him about it.
Firemen put out fires.
Mm-hmm. And what else?
And they have fire squeegers.
Come over here.
There's fire squeegers.
Fire screamers?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
And they put out fires too, but there's a rescue helicopter too.
A rescue helicopter.
Like heli.
Oh.
But it's not very like it because it's a fire one.
Oh.
There's a rescue helicopter.
Mm-hmm.
Now that's what I was watching about when I was at school.
Really?
Uh-huh.
And why do you want to be a firefighter?
Because they could put out firefighters, put out fires, and then I don't know about getting the people there.
Well, they get people out.
But what do they wear in their hands? The fire on their hands.
I think they wear gloves.
Gloves. Daddy's naked.
Daddy's naked.
Daddy's naked.
Well, you know who these letters are being sent to.
So, stylist, what are you doing to my hair today?
Child, I don't know.
Finding these things, you tell me.
Twist.
Some 2-strand twists.
Some twist.
Different tone, but I'm trying to
I don't know how
Ooh,
many strands it is, but
it's 2. What do you mean?
we need some water on this mess.
writing guy.
You can water right
What
here.
else would they keep sending?
You can turn that TV down too. They can't hear us.
This is not about me.
You gotta spray it all down.
You
You're
can.
supposed to show me.
Psychopath.
You could spray it all down, or you could just take the back, like section it off in the back, and then just spray it and detangle it, and then start to twist it.
Do what? Spray it, detangle it, start to twist it.
Yeah, like
In the
you
back.
no, put the water bottle down. No, stop. Put the water bottle down.
I did.
Oh, now you spray it. I mean,
Now you what,
what? Then they can't see me.
now? Now I spray it.
No, you take like your fingers or the comb
Mhm.
and like go across back here, like part it across.
Okay.
Be gentle.
I gotta be straight.
I suppose so.
Huh?
Yeah. Don't try to comb it. Just like
I'm
part it.
not. Head up. Stop jumping.
What?
Let me know. Did y'all mamas do that when y'all was moving?
Okay, you ain't gotta demonstrate it again.
You gonna feel me like this all the time, the whole time?
What you want me to do?
I don't know. This is some...
I'll come back to y'all when he get it parted. I don't know how long that's gonna take.
Alright, y'all, so I finished. That was a lot. She got too much hair. But I did good, right?
Yep.
Did good. And it's done. And now one day when I have a daughter, I can say sit down with your mama, get your brother done. You get your brother ready. And let me do your hair. Wow. She getting ready. Our bathroom look crazy, so I can show you Lahana. Yeah, I can do it like this, look. Ooh. That boy did his thing. She gonna show you her in a minute, hold on.
Alright, y'all. Well, that's the end of the vlog for Vlogtober day, whatever it is, because we skipped a day. And this video not going up today. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
J&J, A-OK, coming back like fadeaways. Road wasn't always here, we paved the way. Trying to take over in a major way. J&J gang, where you at? J&J gang, where you at? Took some time, now we back. Now the pack will full attack.